need a reason to do the things that I do. No need to impress you. Just wanna.
Hey guys, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
Just the milk challenge.
Really? What's that?
Oh, nothing. Just 1 gallon of milk in 1 hour. Are you man enough? I am all that is man. Milk me. Go Clarence, go Clarence, go Clarence, go Clarence, go Clarence, go Clarence, chug, 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 go Clarence, 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 go. Oh my God, I can't believe
my
you're doing
God.
it. You are sick.
God.
You are sick.
Oh.
Oh my God. Oh my
Jesus
God.
Christ.
Who's man now?
That was amazing.
Are you dead?
I don't think he's okay. Dude, call an ambulance.
Oh my God.
Did I win?
Yeah, Clarence, you won.
You went big time, buddy. You did a real good job.
I'm sorry.
When you're high on drugs, you think you can do things you can't. The reality is no one can chug that much milk. Seriously, that's a lot of milk. Ugh, that's just gross.